Hello, hello. We are gonna make games in 1 hour. Yep. I got my Blankedo project behind me, and I want to see what you guys make too. We do this every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. It's a live stream, and I'm gonna spend the next few minutes. Probably don't have 10 minutes. Might be running a little late there, but let's just see. Let's just see where we're at. 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes to come up with a topic so we can all know what we're jamming about, go through the rules and stuff like that. You're welcome to join as long as the entry, by the way, can be played in the browser. There's links in the description box. If you're watching this after the live stream, make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. And also, check out those links so you can find out exactly what games got made, and you can like play them and stuff. It's pretty cool. So check out how to enter and everything there. So what are the rules? The rules are again, it has to be playable in the browser. So your engine has to have some way to export it into, an HTML embed format. As well, it has to be safe for work, family friendly, stuff like that. Minimal, I mean, it doesn't have to be minimal gore, but like, Mortal Kombat or something. And then there's also the little rule about assets. You can use whatever you want. Seriously, I don't care. It can be something you made. It can be made by AI. It could be something that you bought. However, when it comes to music, things are a little different, all right? So for music, I need it to be something that you made during the jam itself, or something you made previously and is copyright free, and you promise that it's always going to be copyright free. So that's that. And then finally, I don't know. That's probably pretty much all you gotta know. Have fun. Take care of yourself. This is a jam about love. I mean, it's really, really hard to make a game in 1 hour. It's like ridiculous, but it's a lot of fun. The reason why I like doing this jam so much is because I get really stressed out doing longer jams. Life comes up, and that can be a bit of an issue. There are the rules. Life comes up, and that can be a bit of an issue. Sometimes I like forego sleep to work on it, or chores or whatever, and that's not that fun. So I like doing a nice short time period, and I really enjoy learning how to iterate quickly and come up with like an idea really fast. It's just kind of like a fun challenge. So take care of yourself, set goals for yourself, right? Maybe you want to work on another or get a jump started idea for another game jam, or maybe you want to explore a mechanic you've never done before, or there's a feature in your favorite engine that you haven't tried. Why don't you try it today? Stuff like that. So set nice, friendly goals for yourself, and don't worry if it's not a complete game. That is a-okay. All right, so let's get some topics. Does chat have suggestions? I'm gonna put 8 topic suggestions up in this wheel right here, and we gonna find out what we jamming about today. I am very excited about that, and I want to see what we've been talking about. They might have missed some earlier, but I will make sure we catch up on them all. No, I think we got them all. Spiders. Oh, I like that topic, Dungeon. Yes, spiders. Okay. Oh, Candace, sending you love, by the way, sending you love. That doesn't sound like a fun thing to deal with. I'm giving you hearts for your heart. Please feel that, and I hope it's good. Let's see. At least we got this hour. We got this hour well, I guess that is pretty stressful to the heart. Take care. Just take care. I was gonna say, it'll heal your heart to do something fun. Wait, maybe it's stressful. Okay. Let's see. Spacebar input only. What? I like that. And that's, well, see, the thing is, I guess we're all on a computer. I was going to say, what if you're not on a computer? So maybe we'll just say, like, let's say one button. How about that? One button only. I think that makes it a little bit less, I don't know. I like that idea a lot. Just like, I don't know, what if you don't have a space bar? You probably do. Let's see. Take heart. Yeah, take heart. I like it. Moving the environment. Whoa, that is long. Move the world. The world moves. I'm trying to think of something shorter. It's just gonna be really long. World moving moving world. How about moving world? I hope it doesn't get interpreted as something different than what you meant, but yeah, I guess what you said could be interpreted differently as well. Upside down, yes. What? Have we done that recently? Wait, did we do that? Like, I feel like we just did that one. I think we did. It was only a minute. I don't know if I have time to go look. We gotta start this jam. We gotta start this jam. Let me see. I do want to know. I feel like we did that, which is like, can we do them again? Yeah, but like, yeah. Oh, we did upside down movement. This is just upside down. That's different. I'm gonna go ahead and say that that's different because upside down movement was really highly specific. Okay. All right. Understood. I like it. Upside down it is. All right, what else do we got? What else do we got? Welcome, Coda. Good to see you. Sorry about your headache. Vaporwave. Whoa. I mean, it's very aesthetic, but you know, I don't care. I like it. I can get down with that. Board game as a topic. Whoa. What is that going to lead to? Are people going to make board games? They're going to make games about board games. One button. Actually, you're right. It probably was a past topic. It does sound like a past topic. Maybe then I should do spacebar only, right? Let's see. Oh, you're right. It was 4 months ago. All right, fine. I'll do fine. Spacebar only. I'll do it. I've caved. If that wasn't make okay, a 30 sec. Oh dear God, I gotta spin this wheel real quick. We need one more topic suggestion. One more topic suggestion. Repeat topic. How about repeat as a topic? How about repeat as a topic? Okay, here we go. I gotta spin this wheel in 20 seconds. You ready? It's gonna go fast. It's gonna go fast, but it's gonna be decisive. Take heart! Let's go! All right. Sending lots of love to Candace and to each other, straight to our own hearts with the Take Heart topic. That is it. You guys have it. Get to go in 2 seconds, and the time has begun. Take heart. What does it mean to you? I put a number 2 in there. Let's get that different. Topic heart. So yeah, I think it's important to remember that you can interpret however you want. You don't have to make it a game that's literally about taking hearts, right? It could be a game about I don't know, love. You know, it could be a game that takes place in the shape of a heart. I don't care, right? Just take a little influence. Don't stress too much about like interpreting it literally. All right, that's it. Take heart is the topic. Let me make sure I update it here on the itch page, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. There's going to be a second live stream right after this one, and I'll make sure you guys know how to get there. Right after this one, where we are going to play everyone's games. So yeah, I'm excited about that. But for the next hour, it's time for me to figure it out. I'm gonna try to figure this one out. All right, so we've got everything set up. Oh yeah, if you want to do a pure HTML JavaScript game hosted on my own site, heck yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, so here's how to submit entries, guys. So there's different ways you could do that, Candace. Either you could use the community tab and post your link there, or when you go to like create something, you could just go to like upload a new project, right? And just like put the URL in your details, you know? So, I mean, I'm going to go ahead and do a pre-submission. There's a couple different ways you can do it. This is one way. September 20th, Game Jam Attempt. All right, I'm going to type that title on in there. And so, yeah, you can usually pick like any one of these. I don't really know if it matters much. And then you will just put in your description your URL, and then we just jump there. That's one way that you can do that. All right, so I'm gonna just not put anything in there. All I did was title it. That's the only thing that matters. So I titled that. Now this is just some random thing, right? It's nothing important. It's not much, but this is my pre-submission, and I suggest everybody do a pre-submission because this means you can submit to the jam late. So if the time ends and you still haven't uploaded your file, having a pre-submission is gonna help you. So all I did is I went to upload project. So what if you wanna get that into the jam? So come to submit your project now before the time runs out, hit submit project, and then you can look for an existing project. So I called mine September, I should probably refresh the page. It should be in here somewhere, I hope. September 20th. Wow, I'm not even seeing it. I usually don't do it this way. Maybe because it's a draft. All right, I gotta make it public. Go make it public! Let's go to my dashboard. I'm actually glad to be demoing this because I've never done it this way. So let's make this be public. I'll make it unlisted. That way it's just, it's a 1 hour game. Is it going to be the best game ever? Probably not. So we'll just not have it out there for the world. Okay, now there it is. September 20th game jam attempt. So this is from submit your project. So then what you're going to do is just submit it. Done! It's been submitted! Now you've got a pre-submission, right? So it's just going to be kind of like a blank thing. I see a couple of you have already done it. So it's there, ready to go. Now when that timer runs out, you can still update your game and upload it for the first time. Alright, great. Now we've done all of that. Now we've done all of that. I'm going to work on my game. So what is the topic again, pray tell? It is take heart. Oh, I love this topic. I don't know why. I mean, I guess I love like where this topic is coming from, but maybe beyond that, there's something interesting here. Because for games, you can really have a lot of freedom, right? Like hearts are a pretty common, element in video games. So literally we can just be collecting hearts and that would be fine. I kind of want to, so something I've been meaning to do lately is like just kind of iterate on a similar template that I've been using, which is just a game where you run around and there's a timer and a score. I don't particularly want to like reinvent the wheel. Let me see. What if, off the top of my head, I kind of like the idea of there being like pieces that you grab of a heart and then you have to like put it back together or something. But I don't even know how that would work, Like maybe a heart like comes up and you have to take all the pieces before it goes away. I kind of like that. All right, I guess I'm not using my typical template. Now I'm inspired. So what if there's a countdown and it doesn't and it's okay, I have an idea. So it will appear right here and then there'll be a timer. And the timer is going to be, a big number, right? Maybe not 90, maybe like 10 seconds, okay? And then, okay. And then you have to grab 4 quadrants of this heart. Bear with me. I don't know. I'm just kind of going with my inspiration here. I'm just going with my inspiration. And so you have to grab each of those 4 quadrants until it's gone, all right? Okay. And then we scooch this over, all right? And another one's going to come in. This one will go away because you took it. And now the time is going to change. Oh, yeah. The time is going to change. And the next time is going to be 9 seconds, right? And it just keeps being like that until it's down. And maybe it could be like fractions of a second. And the game could just keep going. Maybe I'll try to build it so like literally you could technically go forever. But you're not gonna because you can't do it in 0.1 second. And so you ultimately lose. So what? So then you get like points. How long can you survive? And then maybe the score will also, okay, wow, I'm overscoping a little. So what if it takes the score, like let's say you do the 10-second one in 7 seconds, it'll subtract, right, what you had left over, and then it'll add that into like the number of pieces that you took, and that's your final score. Okay, this is kind of a lot of much, but I think this is gonna be kind of fun. I don't know. I'm just going with my inspiration here. I know the smell overscope. No. Maybe. All right, well, I'm doing it anyway. I don't really care. All right, what's my time? Where are we at? What's the time situation? How are we doing? 53 minutes. Oh, okay. All right, I think I can do 53 minutes. I'm going to set it to 50 minutes. This is the timer that I use to follow, and it's going to be obviously shorter than ideal, but that's okay. That's okay. It helps me just stay on track to not realize I have more time than I thought. All right. Here we go. Giving myself the full hour? Barely. I wish. Are we allowed to use anatomically correct hearts? Absolutely. Heck yeah. I hope so. I would love that. Real is real. Oh, sorry you've been feeling sick. Dang, hope you feel better. For reals. All right. Yes, good luck indeed. Okay. So, what do I need to make? You know what I'm going to do, and I don't usually do, but I think I should do more often, is I'm going to type out a list of things that I need for the game. Yeah. Yeah, I think that'll be smart. List. That's what this is. It's a list because I really want this one to work. It's kind of a cool idea. So, all right. We want and I guess I need to plan out like the order of things as well. So I want to say we need a four quadrant hearts clickable. Quadrant hearts clickable. That is big text. That text is a little bit on the large side. Yeah, I would say so. Quadrant hearts clickable. And then we need to say increases score, right? Quadrant hearts clickable increases score. And then we want a timer. Timer shortens after every heart taken. Okay. And then we want to calculate score based on time not taken. Calculate score, let's give it some space, based on time not taken plus quadrants. I don't know if you need the quadrants thing. I feel like we could just say based on time not taken. So we obviously need to display the score, right? And stuff like that. Okay, I think this is kind of the components, technically. We also need the hearts to return, right? So not just hearts being clickable, but quadrant hearts clickable, return, hearts come back after clicked. So it's gonna be, this is easier said than done. I know that's right. All right. Honestly, Timothy, that is the way. It's so easy for these things to get overscoped. Sometimes it just is like that. Today's topic is take heart. As a matter of fact. Yeah. It is great. I know. I'm like really proud of myself with this game idea. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to make it, but trimming out the Humble Bundle mention, more time for game dev. Well, you know, I was going to trim it out, but now that you mentioned it, I guess I might as well say that there are some Humble Bundles right now that are worth checking out. I was going to trim it out. I was. But now that you've said it, I mean, why would I not say something? Yeah, so actually, what Kai Guy refers to is a way you can support this channel through some affiliate links in the description box. There's some really cool Humble Bundles going on right now that help you as a game dev potentially, and help this channel grow. So it's really, really great. If you're willing to use the links in the description, it means a lot to me. Some people like to like gather a bunch of like assets and then use them when they're ready to make a game. There's this treasure trove of like, it says, of pixel art. So it's got like little sprites and buildings and things and special effects. Kind of a nice little pack if you want to build up some art. So check that out. There's a link in the description to the software link where you can grab that one. There's also this Blender Market. This link is in the description itself. This has some really awesome, like, artistic add-ons for Blender, which is super, super nice. There is a way to learn stuff in Blender, and this actually is more focused on game art, which is really nice. That is to say, not like artistic renders like a lot of these add-ons are more for, but this is like making assets in Blender for a game, which can be really helpful. It also comes with some assets too. There's this Learn Godot 4.3 bundle, which is pretty nice. It's from Zenva. Zenva is pretty good. You know, it's kind of dry. It's just like, hey, here's the learnings. But if you like quizzes and worksheets and a full comprehensive sort of tutorial, these will definitely be that. Now, one way you can help support the channel, besides just using these links to get these game dev goodies for yourself, is under the checkout, hit adjust donation, and look what you can do. You can give love to Hyper Game Dev. So thank you if you're willing to do that. Scroll that bar all the way up, and yeah, links are in the description box. Follow the stars. All right, now that I have taken time away that I wasn't going to take away because the wonderful Kai Guy made me think, you know what, actually, I probably should. You did get that one. Thank you, Koda, for doing it. I appreciate it. All right, no, I am not giving myself, I am even removing more of my full hour because, you know what, let's try to support the channel a little. It's worth it. All right, so now that I have 5 less minutes, Let me get those tasks back up here. Quadrant hearts, clickable, increases score. So I need a heart. I'm going to get me a heart. That would be nice. I did do, you know what I did for a past jam? I did do like a puzzle thing, right? Remember that? Where's that? How did that work? Let me open up the old puzzle scene. Right, so this was 4 pieces of an image broken up, but can I actually utilize that here? Am I sure that that's like easily breakdownable for this? I'm not so sure. Let me try just like testing this scene itself. Right, so this was, you can't, yeah, this is a bit different. I don't know. Maybe I can. No, you have to buy. You gotta buy it. It's the right thing. Yeah, you know, Zenva is pretty good. They're like good tutorials. Like I said, they're kind of dry. They're not like super flashy YouTube type videos. But they've got worksheets if that's the kind of way you like to learn, and quizzes and stuff, which can be nice. Check out reviews online to see what you think if it's a bundle. That's good for you. But it's nice because Zenva normally has like these really kind of expensive subscription fees, but those tutorials, you just get like a bunch of them in a bundle, which means you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. I don't think I want to do this. This is stressing me out. Trying to pull up an old project is really stressing me out. So let's not worry about it. You love worksheets. You need more worksheets in your life. Well, now you got them. All right, I'm in danger. You guys know that. I'm basically doing a 30-minute game here. Let's see. I want some UI control nodes. Give me a margin container, right? And I'm going to put this, can I just put this like near the center of the entire, okay, clearly I need a control node of a such. Let's do a canvas layer. We like a canvas layer in here. We really do. Yeah. The Zenva stuff is really expensive otherwise. Really, really expensive. Uh, is it cheating if I use chunks? No. You can use assets from anything you've done before. Completely. In fact, I would encourage it. I'm going to do that. I must. All right, let me get an image of a heart from the world out there, the internet, as it were. Okay, I'm going to, I'm just gonna go to Canva because I already get a bunch of crap from Canva, and I can be sure that the size is kind of what I want. All right, not a circle, but just a heart. I probably could just do it in Paint if I'm being honest with me. Well, but you want it in quadrants, so it actually would be nice if I did it here. Uh, Give me a heart. Just give it to me. Give it to me quick. All right, there's a well, yeah, okay, here, we'll do it like this. And then I'll make it red-ish. That's pink, but that's okay. Hey, what's up, Neil? Welcome. I'm in danger. How are you? Let's download this as a little file. I want it to be transparent on the background. I should remember to test my game. That's always something I fail to do. No, not fail. No, it's nice to be nice to ourselves. I do my best. Okay, and then I want to split this up into multiple. That's okay, Neil. Your itch is broken. I don't understand what that means, but I hear you, friend. All right, so I want to split this up. Do I know how I want to do that? Yes. You want to, let's put 4 of them right on top of each other here. And then we just start cutting them down like that. Does it have to be perfect? Absolutely not. Ideally not, actually. I don't think that's what a quadrant is. Yeah, you gotta do it like that. This one doesn't have, I'm all confused. I can't tell which one's which. Okay, put that one there. This one, tuck it down. Okay, we're getting there little by little. And then this one, we're doing on both sides. Okay, now we have quadrants. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna duplicate this 4 times. And I'm going to delete all of these, and I'm going to drag this up into an entire piece. can see we've got a little bit of the heart on the other side here. That's okay. That's okay. All right, all right. Come on, come on, come on. Drag it up. Drag it up. Grab this. Pull this up. I'm really excited about this idea. I feel there's a very low chance that I complete it. So I kind of want to set like a mini goal for myself. Like, what am I going to be happy with at least I got? If I can just click off hearts and that increases score, I think I'd be happy. Oh, but right, we don't want the score. We want the score to be a timer. Maybe if I can just get one round of the timer. I don't know. This is kind of tough. All right, let's download all of these. It's tough to set a mini goal for this one because the idea is so depends on the whole thing working. So in here, I'm going to want to add a few images. What, like a texture rect or something, a color rect? I don't know. What did I do? Okay, actually I will look at the puzzle game that I did before. What did I do for that? We used panels. Ah, yes, good old panels. Love me a panel. Okay, slap a panel in there. I gotta come to my downloads. You're using Unity. All right, neato. Unity is something that people use sometimes. Bless their hearts. Unity's a powerful engine. Dun, 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 dun. Can we rename this to... That's really cool, Neil, actually. Hearts. And then I'm going to extract... I said hearts, but it's really just one heart. Now I'm going to direct... Oh, I need to... Oh, I haven't even saved this. All right, jam scenes. This one is take heart. Okay. And then we're going to save this as take heart. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to find my folder for take heart, and I'm going to drag the hearts right on in there. Very good, not bad. Everything is fine. No worries. I'm fine. Okay, and then... Oh, there's nothing in the folder? Okay. Oh, because we're searching, I see. Okay, where did it go? There it is. So here's a panel. I'm going to drag this on in here. I'm completely fine. Yep, smile. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. You don't... All right, that's fine. I'll come to the theme override. Yeah, so game jams cure headaches. That is... Oh, or ibuprofen. Yeah, okay. Dude, I don't know about you, but sometimes I, like, don't take ibuprofen, even though I'm like, wait, I have a headache. I'm in pain. I just have to suffer. But then it's like, well, it hits me. Wait, dude, take a freaking pill. It's like, and then like it goes away. I don't like it either. But man, dude, it's like, why suffer? Why suffer? All right, so this is heart, top left. This is weird. Are you really gonna say that? Can we say one left? I don't know. I don't know why that makes sense to me. Also, can you make it smaller? Oh, what didn't we could use like a flow container, maybe horizontal flow, vertical flow. I don't even know the difference. How about just a regular flow? I resist taking a pill for far too long for no good exactly for no good reason. It's like, thank you. That's okay though. We do our best, don't we? Why does that look like nothing? Why would it vanish in there? I don't like that. I like it to look like something. Okay, why don't I just try that again? Okay, now it's... Why is Godot like this? Godot, why are you like this? Explain yourself. All right, let me add a flow container in there, and then add a panel. Okay, that panel is very small. Add a theme override. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at chat for about a few seconds here, at least, maybe longer, while I wrap my head around what this problem is. What is this problem? Texture margins. I mean, something. Do you want me to do some minimum size? Does that do anything? Maybe. We know it's 512 by 512, but I want it to be smaller than that, ideally. How about 300 by 300? How about 200 by 200? What do we think about that? All right, now we're cooking. All right, so I'm going to duplicate this. I said, oh, and we're calling this 1L. I'm going to duplicate it and then call this 1R and drag that. Well, first, I got to open up theme overrides. Come on, come on, come on. We're still constructing the heart. Oh my goodness. No, no, no. Make it unique. This one is special. It's unique. Drag this over. Bam. They don't sit neatly. That's going to have to be okay. Duplicate it. Might be a way to fix that. Obviously, this flow container needs to be shrunked down quite a bit. So let's do that. There we go. There we go. And then this is 2L. And then that, I'm going to open up theme overrides, style, texture, drag this in, pop. Oh, make it unique. You got to make it unique in Godot. That's what it wants. Okay, give it another dupe. Okay, there it is. And we're going to call this 2R. Okay, now open up theme overrides and drag. Oh, make it unique, girl. You know it's what it wants. Everybody wants to be special. All right. And bam, it's a heart. Beautiful. No good reason to worry about this, but what if we bring in the separate... Oh, okay, not that much then. Yeah, just a little bit tidier. How about -1 separation there on each? Look at that. Look at that beautiful heart. It's lovely. It's lovely. Your parents would try to sneak powdered medicine into your drinks and stuff because you were too worried you wouldn't because they were too worried, which, like, I get it, but don't trust it anymore. Wow, it's unfortunate. One day we're gonna have a game concept you won't finish in time. I'm making Ultra Kill fan game. Nice, sounds awesome. Thanks to Henry. Candace has an idea. I love that. All right, there's my heart. So I want to click on this somehow. So that's what I need to do is make it clickable, right? That's one of my things. Quadrant hearts clickable, increase score. Well, we really need the timer here. So you do love Ultra Kill. That's where Longley's comes from, is from an Ultra Kill mod, I think, of a such. Not a mod, but, you know, modified Ultra Kill things. Let's drop. So I have a pre-made UI. As I said, I am going to use things that I have made before, including this UI. And now that exists, the timer visible, score visible. Yeah, we do want those to be visible. Absolutely. Yeah, you only have the demo because you're broke. You know what? You do what you can. You do what you can. Let's put in the time as well. Right now, I don't need this open. Right now, oh, guess give it a save. Oh, let me set the main scene to be what I'm currently working on, which is not that. That was last week's. It's called Take Heart. It's called Take Heart. All right, that's the main scene. Cool. Is anything weird happening if I just hit play? Is it just fine? Yeah, it looks fine. It looks freaking great. 60 seconds is obviously too long, so I'm going to need to be able to hack into this timer. That is going to be... I don't recommend that, Lise. I think you should not do that. I think you should make a special time for just this, because that timer has all kinds of things hooked up to it. I don't want you to be in danger. So... let's make a new time panel. So where's the score? I'd kind of like it to look like that, but be different. Do we have like another margin? That margin container is down there. We do have that one. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to duplicate this margin container, and I don't want a time panel. I want it to, well, actually, I do want a time panel. Delete this. I want this margin container to be on the top, and I don't want it to have the existing time script. This one is a bit different now. So, oh God, I'm really nervous about this. Let's make a new script. This is time panel 2. Oh God. This needs to, let's put a timer in there. So I'm going to add a timer node, and that would ideally be nearby. That's my preference. Let's start with 10 seconds. I don't think auto start makes sense. Dang, so I'm going to have to make it... I kind of wish I did have the other code. Well, just grab it. It's right here. So in the process function, we just want to check to see if any of these inputs are pressed. And if so, we want it to play the timer. So literally just grab all of this, come to this timer, because I don't want the game to just start right away. That's not fun for anybody. Can we please rename this other time panel? It's so hard to find. Time panel 2. Okay. And then in process, I'm going to paste that. Make sure that makes sense. And let me on ready the timer. Oh, just drag it. Drag it. Drop it. Beautiful. And we want to say timer start. It should start at 10. So that should be okay. Or I guess we can say auto start. I don't know. It doesn't matter. That should start the timer. And then I also want to say that the string... so let's on ready the label. The time here. So drag that. Drop it. This is time label. Okay. So we're going to say time label... Oh, try to type it right. Time label text equals, I think I can just say that, maybe, possibly. String, do I know how to timer progress? Is that real? How do I do that? If before when I did timer start, that auto finished. Elapsed, I don't remember what it is. Let's go look what it's supposed to be. Auto start, one shot, time left. Time left. Okay, that's fine. Timer dot time left. Now, if you want milliseconds, I think you're going to be in danger. So that's kind of the worst part. My timer, my old timer, does have milliseconds. This is not going to have milliseconds. All right. Oh, it does! Beautiful. That is horrendous. Don't remember how to wrap it, but I'm gonna need to figure that out. I think we've done that on the old time panel. A string that will limit it to a certain numbers. Here, this crap right here. Whatever the frick this is doing. Oh, do I remember how text equals that percent? How do I write this? How in the world am I gonna write that? Oh my God. Jesus. I don't know how to use that. Percent something something. Dude, how the heck do you do this? What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that worked. What? Why did that work? Why did that work? Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Coda's trying to get Piplups, a shiny Piplup, and you're 3,200. Yeah, I did predict 3,700. You're going to need at least that much. All right, this looks great. Wow, I can't believe that looks so great. Awesome. Now, if you want to adjust that time, so we got to say what happens. So let's do a signal connect. So I want to say timer dot, it really does shrimply work. Timer dot timeout connect programming 101. How does that work? I know, right? What? On timer timeout. Thank goodness for copy paste. And so I want func on timer timeout. What's gonna happen? Just print it ended. Tell me that works. And you know what would be nice? Well, I mean, what happens if, oh, I didn't think about that? Well, you just get no points. You just get no points and you move on to the next one. Simple as that. I think that's all we can do. Cool. Great. Neato. Oh God, brain broke. What if you just played it? There's something I'm missing. That's why I wasn't playing. Oh, because it's 10 seconds, dude. I'm not going to sit here and wait 10 seconds. All right, give me 2 seconds. All right, play it. We got to press a key to get started. when that ends, it ended. Oh, and the timer just restarts. Don't. Yeah. Yeah, what if you don't? So actually, we only want this to happen one time. If ever pressed, then worry about all this mess. And then when this happens, ever pressed becomes true. Set up yield ever we want to say if not ever pressed here, by the way. And then variable ever pressed is false. Okay, good. And then I don't want the timer to be looping. How do I even make it not loop? I don't even know. I actually have no idea. I'm like surprised that it loops. Like what? I didn't tell it to loop. Why does it do that? Is there like a setting to tell it not to do that? Like what? What? Why would you be that way? That's so weird. Oh, one shot. I knew that. All right. Good. Great. Awesome. Now, I need to have the clickability be related. So it's literally going to look for all. Yeah, Coda. We got there. But yeah, thank you. Absolutely. Totally. Absolutely. Great. So now I need to have the hearts actually connect. Totally knew that. Now I need the hearts to connect to that. So the hearts need to be detecting clickability. Cool. How do you want to do that? Do nodes have mouse entered? Yeah, they do. They really do. All right, so let's add a script onto, sure, the node 2D. Where's my game jam credit? Yeah, right? Sometimes. I used to try to do that, but then it's too stressful. Variable, let's on ready actually each of these. Node 2D, why would you do that? Oh, because I've selected them both. Wow, you can on ready multiple? Today I learned. That's pretty sweet. Yeah. Can we say heart 1L, heart 1R, heart 2L, heart 2R? Okay, all right. Now, I want to say heart, oh, this is a lot to type. Heart 1L, this is a lot to type. Mouse entered. Wow, I don't like this at all. And we're gonna have to do a click as well. Dear God. This is gonna be tough because, oh man, this is actually gonna be tough. All right, mouse entered, can it's just gonna be annoying. On heart 1L, hover. Oh my God. All right, paste it a few times. We want 1R, we want 2L, and we want 2R. And, oh, I should have updated them in every spot, but I didn't. Oh, well. Cool. Now I need to create all of those functions on func on heart 1L hover. And I guess what I want to do is set a variable, right? Jesus. Yeah, wow. Variable heart 1L hovered, false, and we got to set one for each freaking one. Heart 1R. Okay, paste. Oh God, this is tough. This is a tough one, man. Heart 2L, 2R, all false. And then we want to say that heart 1L hovered becomes true. Well, we want to, yeah. We want to say if heart 1 hovered, if not heart 1 hovered, then it becomes true. And then it's going to be looking for if we grab it. Let me just get this other thing I copied and pasted a while ago. If the grab button is pressed, that's just the action key. Oops. Oh, dear. Okay, come on. Oh, okay. True. If input action grabbed. Then we just kind of want it to, we need to somehow communicate that it's gone and track that all 4 of them are gone. Let's just say visible equals false, right? Just hide the whole dang node. No. We have to say heart1L visible false. And then I need to say heart count plus equals 1. Oh my goodness. So I need to create that variable heart count. Thanks, DJ. Thank you. Heart count equals, it's very nice of you to do. Heart count equals 0. That's going to add it up to 1. And cool. Maybe that works. And then the timer code has to be looking for that. So now I need to somehow give it that. So we need to get the node. Do we have a nice nope? I've never typed that in here. Oh god, I always forget this. I do have it on my other project. Oh dear, this can be a real-time suck what I'm about to do, or not, depending on my life. Oh yeah, I've got a link directly to the game code. I love that. This is my other project. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, come on. Oh dear God, GitHub. And I'm looking for, just show me where this is gonna be really slow. It do be slow. Oh my God. All right, what can I do while that loads? I want this to be, basically I want this to be looking for the count. So that's we want in like a process function, I would think. Over here, it's constantly checking if, whatever I'm gonna call it, if game heart count equals 1.4, equals 4, is greater than or equal to 4, then we want the timer to, so this is going to be interesting. Timer start minus, well, so here's what you got to do is you have to set the time for the timer. Variable timer, let's even say no, it's got to be variable. Variable timer, well, you should make both. A constant timer time, let's just call it time. Time equals 10, and then variable time equals 10. And we want to say, I don't think that makes sense. Don't do that. Well, whatever, just leave it. It doesn't matter. If you need it, you've got it. So then this needs to be set to time. And then we want to start the timer again, except this time it's time minus 1, right? Okay, come back over here. You're still searching? Are you kidding me? That was useless. Oh my god. Are you freaking joking? I could have just pulled this up in my freaking Windows folder faster than that. Useless. All right. Jesus. Where do I do it? I do it all over the place. I probably do it on the player. I don't know. Oh geez. Give me a script. Give me a freaking script. Scripts have scripts. Oh, I bet the UI has something like that. I always forget it. It's kind of embarrassing that I don't remember it, but it's true. And that just has to be okay. All right, open this with Notepad. Come on. Oh my gosh. Please tell me we've done some get node here. Are you serious? Really? I haven't done it in that script? Oh, geez. I really would have thought I did. Oh, this is where I'm falling apart. It's all coming down. Oh, maybe in debug menu. Please, God. I beg you. Please. Yes, that's all I want. Give me that. It's a little embarrassing that I don't know off the top of my head, but it's true. Okay, so now up here, I need to paste that on ready. game equals this. Variable game equals all of that, except we want it to be main. Is it main scene? I think it's just called node 2D, I think is what that will be. Where did my script go? Goodbye, script. It was nice knowing you. I'm in a lot of danger. I'm in so much danger. It's not gonna come together. I overscoped. I did. You know I did. All right. Where is it? That's okay though. Time panel 2. I think we just call this node 2D. Right? Because that's all it's called up there is node 2D. So that should be fine. Can you please remember the script I was on? That would be great. That would be awesome. Okay, so that's game, and then it will find heart count, and if that's greater than or equal to 4, start time -1. So it's going to keep updating that. But that's in the process function, right? So we need to have it reset game heart count to 0. But that's going to be in the process, so it's going to be constantly doing that. But you only want that to happen one time. How are you going to do that? Well, you need a signal. That's going to be the easiest way to do that. Oh, dear God. That's what you got to do. That's what you got to do. So we need in... oh, man. Oh, man. How are you going to do this? Here's what I would recommend. I would say every time this happens, emit a signal. Oh man, there's no way. It's too much. I overscoped it. I really did. It's a shame. It's not a shame, but I'm sad. Signal heart taken, and then come back over here to something, the script that I was on at one time. Messenger heart taken emit with the heart count. So every time it emits the heart count value. And then back on the the time panel script, we want to connect that signal. It's overscoped. It really is. Messenger heart count connect on heart count. Is that heart taken? Sorry, heart taken. It says you have an error on 28, but you don't have 27. You only have 27. Oh no, you're welcome from Godot. Func on heart taken, and then this has to be number. All right, so if number is greater than or equal to 4, then update the time. Okay, and then do game heart count needs to be set to 0. Okay, get rid of all that. I don't know if this is really gonna work. I really don't. Okay, where are we at? There's got to be so many things missing here. Because it's also not bringing them back. I only set up one heart, so it's definitely not going to work. But, like, what isn't working? Oh, yeah, all of those. All right, let's set up the other hearts. Okay, so I'm going to grab this. Does that look good? If the heart is not hovered, heart hovered becomes true. And then it does all this. So we need all that to reset as well. So we need to do that, dear God. If I go back to the time panel, we also want to say from the game, oh my, heart. Oh, I don't even remember what all these are called. Can I just grab all of these? Come back over here, paste all this. I want game heart hovered 1 to become false. We know it's not the hovered that becomes false. It's once you click it. So you actually want them to become visible, right? Oh dear God, visible. But like they're also clickable. Like just because they're not visible doesn't mean they aren't still clickable. And that count is going to keep going up. So you have to like turn off that it's clickable even. I have no idea how to do that. Oh dear God, you have to say, I mean, I know how to do that, but like in this amount of time, it's just not possible. I can't do it. I would say heart 1L chosen equals true, right? So I have to create all those. It's just not, it's like I need more time. I need more time. Luckily there is an opportunity to do that. We do an iterate jam at the end of every month, but I already was planning on doing something else for this end of month iterate jam. So we'll see. Maybe eventually I'll do a new one. So this is true. So this would and heart 1L chosen equals false. Definitely not finishing it. It's not looking good. No, it's definitely not looking good. You might take, yeah, well, that's the thing. You guys get a little more time than I get. That's for sure. And that's good. You deserve it. You deserve it. Okay. So let's see. Great. So then what I need to do technically back over here on the time one is we have to make it visible again. There's other ways I could have handled this, but this is not what it's going to be because my brain is not good here. Heart 1L chosen equals false. Cool. And then what I guess I'd want to do is set it for every single friggin' one. 1R, paste it again. 2L, paste it again. 2R. Right? Something like that. And then if we come back to here, I need to duplicate this a few times at least. And then we call this 2L. We do it in every place. Do it in every single, oh God. Do it in every single place. You could have done the 2R one too. Well, maybe. Okay. 2L. Okay. That looks maybe good. Paste that. This one we need to change in a couple places. So let's just do that. Grab it. Boop, boop, boop. Heart. Oh, dear God. Oh, dear God. 1, 2. 2R. Right? Come down here. Paste it. 2L. Am I doing this right? I don't know. 2L. Nope. You already did 2L. Sorry. Wait, what am I missing? I have 1L, I have 2L, I have 2R, I need 1R. 1R. Okay. All right. There's no way this is going to work, but like, let's see what I've got. Okay, so nothing is disappearing and nothing is changing. Cool. So I think we're not detecting anything. Print detected. So this was function heart2L hover with a click. Heart2L is this one. So it is definitely not seeing anything. Does it see the hover? Print hover, yeah. Is that even a thing? Yep, the hover is seen. So that's good. That's good. What sets it back? First of all, what sets it back to false? But let me see if this much is working. So, yep, it does see it there. And then, but it's not seeing the input, and heart2L chosen false. Those are all set to false. But it's not. If input is action pressed grab, but it has to be at the same moment. That's the problem. So you actually don't want to say that. This needs to be tracked somewhere else. Oh dear. This is where it gets messy. Yeah, I mean, the timing is all messed up because you have to click at the exact same time as you hover it. I always make this mistake. And it's like what? What? I can move them? Why? Oh, because they're becoming not visible. Whoa. Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, dear. Yeah, okay. I don't even know how to do this. Honestly, I don't know how to do this. I do, but I don't have time to think about it. because I feel like we need to do something in the process, and then I would need to like what run a signal or something, you know, and that sounds miserable. That sounds really miserable. I'm not sure I can handle that. And then our flow is messing. Our flow container, obviously a flow container was the wrong choice because it's going to readjust the heart every time. So like, oops, right? Like that was an oopsie. Really what you'd want to do is change the alpha to 0. Yeah, I don't think it's happening for me today, guys. If I wanted to pivot real quick, how would I do that? I mean, we could at least try to change visible to something else. Really, we'd have to get the transparency here to change wherever that lives. Alpha maybe? No? Okay, cool. Great. No idea how to make that not modulate. That's the way. So I'd have to somehow, I guess we would say heart 2L modulate equals modulate dot A equals 0 or something, right? That would probably be the way to do it. Could be a way. Pivot by not making them disappear, but rather how often can you click the heart in 10 seconds? Yeah, make it a clicker game. I would rather just like not have an entry. You know what I mean? Like I I don't know. I don't know. It's like it's okay. Clicker game slander? Nah, it's just not worth it. It's just not enough time even to do that. It's okay. I overscoped. You know, it's like the game sounded simple, but it turns out I overscoped. Uh, and that's okay. You know, I'm okay with that. Just for the sake of completionarianism, I will at least update all of this in here. Was it 1 or is it 100 that you modulate? I'm not sure. Probably 1. Or is it 255? Heck, I don't know. I don't know. It's not like that's going to work anyway. But at least the flow container won't get broken. Unless that modulate A, I made it up and it's not real. Yeah, if you click really, it's not fun to click. It's really hard and basically impossible. And the time just restarts. 100 for alpha, you think? Yeah, well, in any case, I don't think I make it today. I don't think I do. It's like I don't have like a minimal version of the game that can really work. And because and the reason why the clicker game isn't going to work is because my clicking is fundamentally flawed. I fundamentally messed up the way that you click things. So that's on me. That's on me for thinking I could use a signal that detects a hover and a click simultaneously as something that would work. What I need to do is I need to have the click be detected in the process function or something like that, something that's constantly looking for it. And I would need to say, if it's hovered, then in the process function and grab is pressed, then it sets it. But then I need to kick it back to, then all of this could run quickly. I need to set it to false. It's a few. If I had caught that sooner, we might have been able to get there. But because I didn't catch it sooner, we're in danger. Now I actually have a little more time than that. I forgot that I actually have more time than that timer leads on. So yeah, there's about what? 3 minutes. 3 minutes remain, y'all. I will give it a good little chance here, but I'm pretty sure I'm cooked. And that's all right. I actually had a lot of fun making it, if you couldn't tell. And I've certainly had one more reminder that it's important to not check for clicking and hovering in a single signal. That's something I often forget. So we want to say, we basically want to say that the signal sets hovered to true, right? It's kind of hard. Let's copy it, like cut that out like that. And then in the process function, paste that in right there. Again, I am resigned to finishing this on time, but I might as well give it a good try in these last couple minutes. So then I need to correct this. We don't need any if check at all. We just put that in there. Oops, I already made a little mistake there. We want to say if it's hovered. And and then the other, I think another problem here. Oh no, we're fine. I could have worded that differently. That's okay. Tab that in. See, it's kind of messy to set this up, you know, and it's just a little time consuming to go back and redo it. But again, if I had set it up this way in the first place, I think we would have been maybe okay. I guess the fastest way is to do it a bit like that. Paste that back in. Okay, grab this. Not gonna make it. Don't worry. I know I'm not gonna make it. I'm okay with that. I'm excited to see if you guys made it, though. Because I'm not the only one who's participating in this jam today, as many of you know. And... you know, if I were participating in the same way you guys were, oh, I would be working on it while we're playing everyone else's games. Candace made it. Let's go. That means we got a game to play. I'll love to hear it. I'll love to hear it. Put this down. Pull that out. I still think this might not be enough. I'm sure there's still something I'm not considering here. But... what? Huh? Oh, because it's setting it to true, but it's not. There's no mouse exited. I don't have an unhovered. So that is never getting set to false, right? And then you can never click any others for some reason. You kind of need to hover them all and then click while hovering one of them or something. I don't know. It's... it ain't it. It ain't it. But that's okay. So I tried to make my game, but I made a critical error where I tried to have the hover detection and the clicking detection be connected to a single signal. And that was a mistake. And I set my booleans up a little wrong. I just kind of need a little bit more time, but that's all right. I gave myself a little less time. Luckily, you guys have made games, so there's a lot of fun that I had in making this. Some weeks it just doesn't come together, and I'm okay with that. I know you guys have that experience, so I'm gonna have it too. But you know what? We're gonna play some games. We're gonna play some freaking games. It's just not gonna be mine because there is no game. There is no game to play. So, where do you go to play said game that I keep mentioning? Well, there's a link in the chat right now. You can play everybody's games if you head over there. Let me make sure I make that a public stream. The topic was Take Heart. Take Heart was the topic. So... if you haven't thumbed up this stream, by the way, guys, I hope you'll consider doing it. Give a thumbs up for trying my best. I tried my best. Thumb me up. I appreciate it. It really helps the stream and the channel grow a lot, and it means this jam gets a little more support, which is kind of nice. So thanks if you're willing to do that. And yeah, it is what it is. I kind of got a little sum together. It just wasn't everything together. So thumb it up if you haven't yet. Link is in the chat and the description box. If you want to go over to the next one and tell me what game you made so we can play it and you want to see me play other games. If you're watching it after the live stream, you can tap or click right above me here to go see that, and we can see what games people made. What games did you guys make? I can't wait to find out, and I'll see you there. Goodbye for a second, until I see you there. Thank you for thumbing it up. Let's go!